Welcome to my channel. Here we are going to be working on these problems as I am on page 231 of J.N. Green Technical Drawing Textbook. So we are going to be working on this, as I said, and here we are to assemble the two parts and draw question 1, a front elevation looking in direction of arrow A, question 2, a plan, question 3, and an end elevation looking in direction of arrow B, and question 4, a section on plane XS, question 5, a section on plane YY, and we have to use squared paper or drawing paper, assuming the squares to be 10 millimeters. So I do not have a squared paper. I'm making use of a drawing paper. Alright, so we are going to start with a video on the assembling of the parts, because we are going to have a video for each of these questions so that we can find it easy to do. So that's why we are going to have a video for each of these. Alright, so let's start with that of the assembling of the part. As you can see, we are putting this part in here. That is what we are doing. So we are going to start with the construction of this particular part here. So let's start as we are going to draw a line. So we're going to draw a line in this direction. So we draw a line in this direction, and then from this point I would also draw a line in this direction like this, and then I will set my set square up like this and draw a vertical line from this point up. So we have this. So we are going to be taking the measurement of this line, and this short vertical line here. So how many squares do we have here? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That is 7 squares. So 7 squares that we have here, we are going to multiply it by 10, and that will give us 70. So we take a measurement of 70 millimeters. Why am I using 70 millimeters? Because we are told that each square has a dimension of 10 in length. Okay, so here we have 70 millimeters, and I come to this side here. How many squares do we have on this side? This is 1, 2, 3, 4. So that will multiply by 10, that is 40 millimeters. And for this short vertical line, we have 1, 2, that is 20 millimeters. So take a measurement of 20 millimeters up like this. Alright, so then we are going to draw a vertical line at this point here. I'm going to draw a vertical line like this, and then so coming to this point, I'll also draw a vertical line from this point up. Then this 20 that we took up here, I'm going to join it together with this point. So we have this now. Then at this point, so we need to draw this short line, okay, which is 10 millimeters, as you can see there. So I will draw a short line in this direction, and I will also come here and also draw a short line in this direction. So I'll be taking a measurement of 10 millimeters here, 10 millimeters from this point. So this is 10 millimeters. Then I'm going to transfer this point here. I will transfer it to this side. Okay, so to this side. So with what we have done here, we have this surface now. Then we also have this line, this vertical line, and this vertical line. So we are going to draw a vertical line from this point, draw a vertical line up. Okay, then at this point also I will draw a vertical line up, and I'm going to take a measurement of 20 millimeters up, because we also have this to be 1, 2. That is 20 millimeters. So we take a measurement of 20 millimeters up. Then I'm going to transfer this point. I will transfer it to this side. So we transfer it to this side, and then so I will transfer this point. I'll transfer it onto this vertical line. I'll transfer it onto this vertical line, so it goes in this direction. Then coming to this point here, I'll also draw this line in this direction, and then I'll transfer this point onto this line. Okay, so if you look at what we have here, so we have this object, but we are left with this part here, so let's bring that out. So as we have here, so we have just one square here, which is 10 millimeters, and this also one square, 10 millimeters. So the total is 40. If you look at it, we have 1, 2 in this middle here. So that means we are taking what, 20 millimeters in the middle, and then so the length from here to here, 1 2 3 is 30 millimeters. So let's work that out. So we set just set your ruler at the point here. So here I have 10, so this is 10, and then I also have this to be 10 millimeters. So in the middle I have 20 millimeters. So I'm going to draw this line. So I'll draw this line here. I will draw it forward like this, and then coming to this point here, I will also draw this line. I will draw it forward here. Then I'm going to take a measurement of 30 millimeters from this point forward. So this is 30 millimeters here. So I'll just draw this line. So but I'm going to draw this line, I will draw it across like this. Okay, there's a reason for that. Okay, so what we are left with is to draw this line. So but I'm not going to draw it because by the time we put this in, it will not be shown. You cannot see it. So let's leave that aside. So we are bringing this in now. All right, so this is what I'm going to do. If you look at the total from here to here, so from here, so how many squares we have from this point? This is 1 2 3 4. It is 4. It's actually 4. If you look at 1 2 3 4, so it is 4. Okay, so when we put this in, okay, we are going to see this 10 millimeters here, this thickness from here to here. We are going to see it outside here. Okay, so then this line here, okay, this line will fit onto this line, to fit perfectly onto this line, because from here to here is 30, so which is 30 from here to here. Okay, so it will fit. This line will rest on this line here. That's why I drew this line. Okay, so now let's look at what we are to do. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to take a measurement of 10 millimeters, because this 10 millimeters will be outside here. Okay, so this line here will be touching this surface. So if you look at the distance of this line from here up, this is 1 2 3 4. So and then this is 40 from here to here. Okay, so it just fits perfectly onto this line here. I mean this line. Okay, so we take 10 millimeters, so backward like this, and then we are going to draw a vertical line. So this vertical line is going to represent this line that we have here. So I'm going to draw a vertical line like this. Okay, then having done that, the next thing that I'm going to do is that I'll come to this point. Okay, if you look at the thickness from here to here, so it is 40 millimeters, and this is also 40 millimeters. So we need to draw a vertical line at this point. So we draw a vertical line up here at this point. Okay, so I can't see that line very well. So we draw a vertical line here, and then I'll come to this point here, and I'll also draw a vertical line like this. Okay, so we have this. Then what is the height from here up? So this is 1 2 3, that's 30 millimeters. So I'll come to this point here and take a measurement of 30 up. So that's 30. So this 30 now, I will now transfer it. Okay, so I'll transfer this 30, I'll transfer it to this side to touch this line. Okay, then I'll come here, and I still need to extend this vertical line so it goes up a bit. So and then I'll transfer this line. Okay, so I'll transfer it onto this line. Okay, then I'll come here at this point here. I'll also extend this point, and then so I'll join these 2 points, I'll join them together to form this surface that we see here in the assembly. So this is what we have. Okay, so what I need to do here now, so for this part that we have down here, which is similar to this, so what we just need to do is to transfer this line down. So I'll come to this point here. So I'm not going to draw it on this surface, so I'll just take it down from here like this. Okay, then as we had that from here to here, this is 1 2 3 4. So this one is 40, while the upper one is what? Is 30. So the one down here is 40. 1 2 3 4. We have 4 squares. So we take 40 millimeters down. So this is 40 millimeters here. So and then so this is 40 millimeters. Then we transfer this point here. So we transfer it to this side, so it goes this side like this. Okay, then we also set the set square like this. Okay, so if you look at it, so it goes with this line. So I'm going to draw this like this. Okay, so this is how we are going to have it here. So we have assembled the 2 parts. So if you look at it very well, the 2 parts have been assembled. So what we have to do now is that I want us to bring out the thickness of the edges of the two parts as we have assembled them. So I'm going to make this line. So make this line a thick line from here to here, okay, so that we can see it. And this line also, we also need to make it a thick line, okay. Then so coming here, so make this line a thick line from here down, and this also is a thick line from here to here. Then I will come here and make this a thick line, and I'll make this a thick line. All right, so coming to this side, so we draw this as a thick line. I'll do the same thing here, okay. So working on the vertical lines or vertical edges. All right, so looking at this, I think we are done with that of the vertical. So now let's work on this, okay, these two lines. So we can draw them together like this, okay. So then here also draw this, and then okay, coming up here, and here also. Then we have this, and all right, so then on this side, so we also make this line a thick line to this edge, and then this line will be a thick line. It should be from here, so from here to here, okay, from here to here. And then we also have this from here to here, so this short line, okay, we have it. And then this short line, we also have it here. So this line also, so make it a thick line from here to here, okay. And this line, okay. Then lastly, so this line, we have it as a thick line. All right, so we have assembled the parts, and this is how it should be. So it's as simple as I've done it here. All you have to do is to practice, and when you practice this, you become a master at this work. Do not forget that we still have other questions to answer, or these are the main questions: the front elevation, the plan, the end elevation, the section XS and section YY. So we are still going to work on that. We have a video for each of them. Thank you. Keep on practicing, and God bless you.